perfect day for a special delivery. What a sunny day! I'm taking this little box to my friend. Almost there. My wheel's stuck. Okay, easy, come on, get free! Dinosaur rescue! My car is stuck on the railway crossing!
Dinosaur rescue here! Stay in the safe zone!
Dash, drone scout. Bruno, winch pull. Safety first. Dinosaur rescue! Save the day! I'm here! Everyone, stay back!
I'm so glad you're here! I'm safe, but my car is still on the tracks.
Drone up!
Ah! The train is moving. We still have some distance. There's time. Act now. Stay calm.
Front hook locked! Hang on, everyone! The train is getting closer! First try! It didn't move!
Oh no! It didn't work?
Okay, one more try!
Car is free! Thank you, Dash and Bruno. You really helped me.
Okay, quick safety recap. First,
If anything feels wrong, step back to a safe place.
second,
During rescue, stay behind the safety line.
always, Dinosaur rescue! Save the day!
Tap the big red button. Yay! You're subscribed!